In this video, I am going to talk about another 14 free certification courses on serverless computing. These 14 free courses are offered by Amazon Web Service. It is the Amazon Web Service training and free certification courses. From this course, you'll be able to learn how to build and run applications and services with serverless mindset. So let's see what are these 14 free certification courses that you can do with the help of Amazon Web Service. The first course is here, Advanced Testing Practice using Amazon Web Service DevOps tools. From this course, you'll be able to learn how to set up review mechanism and perform a static code analysis to identify issue earlier in the development. The second course is here for you, Architecting Serverless Solution. Then the third course is AWS Database Offerings. The next course is Deep Type Lambda at Edge. Next one is Amazon API Gateway for serverless applications. Then getting into the serverless mindset. Next one is AWS Lambda Foundation. Amazon Dynamode BD for serverless architectures. Introduction to serverless development. Deep dive on AWS Fargate, building serverless containers at a scale. Serverless analytics. Build and deploy APIs with serverless CI or CD. And the next one is authenticating serverless apps to the enterprise. And the last course is Solution Detail, Internet of Tracking. So these are the 14 free courses that you can do here. So to enroll any courses, whatever you like, you need to click here, sign in option. Then you need to select here again, sign in. Then if you're new, you need to create your Amazon account here. But if you're already logged in or already created account here, then you need to give your mail address, password and click here sign in. Then you'll be able to enroll the courses. So check the video description to get the link of all of these free certification courses.